Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem. So basically the first problem, which is of level easy. Okay, so here's the problem statement. So basically we are going to solve it in Python. Okay, so that's my forte, so I'm going to solve it in Python. You can try it in any other language if you have, because the logic will be same, right? So we are going to use brute force method here to solve this problem. So let's have a look at what the problem says. So to sum in the sense, so an array will be given of integer nums, and an integer will be given which is considered as target. We need to return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. Okay, so if you look at the test case or example one here, so num is the array here 2 7 11 15 and target is the 9, right? So you see 7 plus 2 is 9, so we are getting the index 0 and 1. Okay, so num of 0 plus num of 1 is 9 and we are returning 0 and 1. And so in example 2 also you can see target is 6, so 4 plus 2 is 6, so obviously the index will be 1 and 2. Okay, and in num 3 3 target is 6, so we are getting 0 and 1. Okay, so the constant is like the the length of array will be lying from 2 to 10 to the power 4, and num of I think, yeah, so it will be from 10 raised to 9 to 10 raised to 9, so minus 10 to the power 9 to 10 to the power 9. Okay, and target also will be same. Okay, and only one valid exists, only one valid answer exists, and no duplicate may occur at the sense. Okay, so you can return the answer in any order, and you can also assume that it has only one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, so need to remember these things. Okay, and let's solve the code. Okay, so first we are going to take n is equal to len of nums. Okay, so that we will store it in that. Okay, so here you can see the nums is the list and target is int element. Okay, so first we'll go for I in range of n minus 1. Okay, 0 to n minus 1 it will go, and for j in range we need to go to I plus 1 until n. Okay, so you will understand this. So we need to give a condition if nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target. Then what we will do is we will return I comma j, else we will return the empty list. Okay, so this is the code. So what happens here is first it will iterate through for I in range n minus 1, so 0 to n minus 1 it will go. So firstly I is 0, right? So what will happen here is for j in range I plus 1. So suppose if we consider this, I is 0 here now and j is I plus 1 to n. So I plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1, and till n it will go till this. So firstly it will consider a of I, that is 2, and then j it will go on incrementing, that is j of 1, j of 2, like that. So for first condition itself it is satisfying, so 2 and 7, so it will directly return nj, and will get if solution does not exist it will return empty list. Okay, so this is what happens. So if I run this code, yeah, first I need to run this code, if not some error then it may have a problem. Yeah, so you can see that all the test cases got accepted. So yeah, so the approach is correct. So basically I plus 1 is the next element, that is j, and it will go on incrementing till n. Okay, so why we are taking this n minus 1 is so that if we are here 11, so that j has something to go. Okay, that is why. So we are returning empty list here in the end. So if I submit this, let's see, since it is a brute force it may not stand up in the entire, like not top, it will not beat any of the users, most of the users, but yeah, it will pass everything. Okay, so you can see that the code is accepted, and yeah, we are good to go. So this is how the Leetcode works, guys. So the interface is good enough. Sorry, I could have zoomed in this like this, right? How to zoom it, not sure. Okay, I will look into that, like how to zoom in, but yeah, for now I need to zoom it from here, I think. Yeah, So this works. So this is the solution. So basically we took len of nums into n, and then for I in range and n minus 1, and for j in range I plus 1 to n. So we are giving if statement, if num of I plus num of j is equal to target, then directly returning the indices, else we are returning empty list. Okay, so this is the solution. So hope you learned and understood something from this video. So if you do hit that subscribe button, and until then, take care, bye bye.